Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing an exciting video today. I'm trying out these hot rollers that I got on Amazon. These were like $40, I think. I will put the link in the description for you guys, but I've been seeing these like all on TikTok and on YouTube, so I want to give them a try for myself. I honestly like haven't really paid attention to how to do them, so I'm kind of just gonna be winging it, but hopefully they come out good because I do have somewhere to go after this. I started off blow drying my hair. I just blow dried it straight, like rough dried. I didn't use like a brush or a tool or anything. My hair is definitely wavy when I like air dry it. Like it gets really like kinky at is that the right word? It gets really wavy like at my roots, especially underneath too, so I wanted to get it like as straight as possible without like actually using a styling tool beforehand, because if it's not straight I feel like these would leave like weird kinks in your hair and would not be good. Also, what I have learned from watching a lot of Brad Mondo videos is that you should always put product in your hair for like doing any sort of styling, because that usually helps it stay better. So I used like all the usual things I used before I blow dry, and I sprayed with heat protectant, so we're all prepared. So these specific ones, there's 20 rollers in here and like the little clips to keep them in place. There's small, medium, and large. It says 2-minute heat up. I haven't opened this yet, so we're gonna open it together and see how it looks inside. Okay, so here is the base. It comes with the curlers all already inside. And then something nice about this is the cord is retractable, so you can like pull it longer and then pull it back in, which is always nice for storage. And then it came with like 3 packs of these clips, which you use to keep these in place. And then I don't know if you guys already saw, but they are like 3 different sizes in here. It also came with instructions, which I should probably read because I honestly am not too confident on what I'm doing. Wait, I'm crying. Look at this girl in the I'm gonna look like that soon. So let's heat these up. Okay, that's pretty simple. There's also like a little knob for temperature. Okay, so it seems the temperature dial is for like how tight you want the curls to be. I feel like I want them to be pretty tight. The thing is like steaming up a bit, so it seems they're getting hotter. I'm gonna leave them for a couple minutes and then we'll get started. Okay, it's been like 5-ish minutes. It would be nice if like they beeped or something when they were ready so you knew. I'm also like very scared I'm gonna burn myself. I'm gonna do it like one side and then the other side to make it easier for myself, especially since it's my first time. I also want to make sure I'm doing these like so the curls will be away from my hair like I would with a curling iron. So I'm just wrapping the ends around, making sure it's really tight on there and rolling it up. I was worried these would be like really hot, like couldn't touch them. They're actually fine. The only thing is I would definitely recommend taking small sections because not a lot fits on these rollers. I should have gotten a mirror for myself, guys, because I'm doing this while looking at myself in like a 2-inch widescreen. Also, something nice that I'm realizing is the thing like remains heating them while the lid's open, so that's good. They're kind of heavy though. I was like planning to do my makeup while these are in. Maybe I'll do some of my makeup. They're definitely heavy. Also, like if you're doing this on yourself, I feel like it's probably easier to start from the underneath of your hair. Okay, my camera ran out of storage, so I ended up putting the other side in off camera. So here's what I look like. It's a bit annoying because they're definitely like on my face, and I feel like there should be a way to not have that, but the clips are not like big enough to go around the like biggest size curler and my hair, if you know what I mean. Like I feel like the issue is these clips. I wish I had a way that I could just like keep at least these 2 back. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these in for like, I think the directions said like 10 minutes. Okay, it does not say how long to keep them in, but I'm gonna keep them in like until they start to feel cooler, and then I'll take them out on camera with you guys. I literally look crazy. I look exactly like her. They were not wrong. We're twins, basically. Okay, moment of truth. They're definitely cooled down. Like I could feel them around my head. They're cooled. I'm gonna start taking them out from where I started. Also, I forgot to mention I used pretty much all of them. I only had 6 out of the 20, I believe, left. I'm just gonna unroll Oh wow. That is a tight curl. I was expecting it to be looser. I feel like these will be so pretty once I brush my hair out though. Judging from what I'm seeing so far, these are gonna be pretty tight curls. So I feel like this would be a good thing for like when you're really like not wanting your hair to fall. Side one is removed and she's giving a bit of Shirley Temple. I'll comb it out once I get this side out. Overall, this I would say is like a pretty quick process. Like I would say it's probably just as quick as like actually curling your hair with a curling iron, at least for me. And definitely when I use a curling iron, like my hair does not get this curly. Like the curls are not as tight. I'm also having like no problem removing them. Like it's not painful at all, which I know sometimes that happens like with Velcro curlers. They like get stuck and then you have to like literally rip your hair out. But I'm not having that issue with these. My main issue is these pieces that are touching my face are definitely annoying. There we go. Curly Q right out of the curler. So let me get my brush. This is the brush that I like to use when I'm brushing out curls. I feel like it does a good job. Also, it's so funny looking at my hair like this. My hair is like literally this much longer. Also, excuse that I'm still wearing my robe. Again, this is like a hard thing to do, not looking in a mirror. Okay, it's actually looking really nice, I feel like. This is like really pretty curls, and these are the curls, like these will for sure stay. Kind of an up close. I feel like it's hard to see because my hair is dark, but they're actually really pretty and bouncy and like very voluminous. My hair feels super soft. I feel like I like them. My hair definitely got much longer and not as Shirley Temple after I brushed it out, and I'll probably put in some like hair oil now as well. Overall, I think this came out really pretty. It's definitely worth it, I would say, especially if you're going to an event or something where you want your hair to stay. I feel like this is like even with a curling iron, like I can't really get this where I feel like it will for sure be staying. And same with like Velcro rollers. Those typically fall out of my hair like pretty quickly, I would say. I have a feeling this is gonna last me all night. It looks really pretty. The things were not too hot. I did not burn myself and they didn't rip my hair out. So overall, like pretty much all good things, I would say. The only thing is these are not light enough for the biggest size curler. So like when you clip your hair, it doesn't completely stay, and it was like annoying me kind of that they were touching my forehead, but I feel like once I use it a few more times I can probably play around. Overall, I think this is so cute. These are worth it, I would say, for sure, and I have them linked in my bio for you guys. Okay guys, future me. Here's the hair brushed out the next day. It's still really cute, like the curls held even through the night sleeping. I slept in a ponytail and then I brushed it out this morning and they still look cute. Let me show you on the front camera. What I would say to pass me is that I'm definitely gonna keep using these. I really like the turnout. I really like how long they lasted, that the next day like my hair still looks really good, and it was easy to use for sure. I just like, I feel like I need more practice doing it more times and it'll turn out even better. So I'm excited about this purchase and like for sure thumbs up. Definitely recommend to you guys. Okay, cut back to old me. Thanks for watching. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, I'll put my handle right here. It's also always linked in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video.